we will look at the our columns, manipulation in columns, how we are going to add another column with the same values, and delete column and select column. So we'll look at these three functions. So we will be doing that with the same data set, and you have the only pandas. We will be using an only pandas. So let's write data frame, and we will first write the column that we want to name we want to assign to a new column in order to store our previous values. So what we'll use, grow, and then we will equal it to data frame. Then after data frame, we will select the column that we have with the that we want to use the values in the grow. So let's say we want to use it of the age. So after that, we will print the data frame with head. So here we have grow and the same values as we have in age. So that's how we can add the column, which the name change and the value will be same. So let's say if you want to delete a column, so we'll use delete. We don't want to disrupt our data set, so we'll use delete, and you'll use data frame dot drop, you'll use bracket columns, and then again you'll select the column name. So let's say you want to remove column name sex, so we'll write here, and we will write in place false, so mean that the data frame that we are using will be the same. It will be removed in the delete that we assign it. So we will put comma in place, and we will use false. If we use true, it will throw an error. So let's print delete dot head 4. So here we have remove. Let's see it in more detail. Let's delete dot columns. Okay, here we don't have any sex, it's removed. So we have the same data frame. In data frame we already have the variables, we assign delete and we set in place false. So after that we will look at the narrow function. We will look how we select the, if you want to look at only survive and age, so how we are going to look the specific columns. So let's say we want to use select, we will assign select, and we will use data frame, and then you will use double brackets in order to select the values. You will use survive, make sure that the spelling is correct. So survive, and we have grow. So let's say we use these both. Use print select dot head 4. So here we have both the column. Let's make it 10. So here we have both the columns only printed. We have both the columns printed. So that's how we're gonna work with rows, with columns, with some of the most used functions in pandas.